Hey everyone, welcome back to a quick video, and today we're going to be looking at the PKGj app, and I'm going to show you how to add the covers to your games. Let's take a look here at AW Phoenix Fiesta. You can see the cover has been added, and typically when you first install PKGj, these covers are not available. So today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to add that so you can see the beautiful covers for these games. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that this will only work for the PS Vita games under Show Games. This will not work for the DLCs, demos, themes, nor will it work for PS1 games, PSP games, PSP DLCs, nor the PSM games. So just keep that in mind. Now, the covers will work for the different regions. Here we got Japan. Let's take a look at Europe. We have Axel World vs. Sword Online. We have this one for USA. And the Europe version, which you can see has a little bit more logo at the bottom of this cover. So yeah, we're going to go through the steps on what it takes to get this installed and get it updated for your PKGj. Let's begin by connecting our PS Vita through Vita Shell. You can use FTP connection or the USB connection. Press start to view your main settings and to make sure that you are selected to USB or FTP and under your SD2Vita or however you have your PS Vita configured. And here is our USB drive ready to go. Now down below I'll provide a link to the archive.org. This is the cover art for the PS Vita. It's 117.1 megabytes. And once you're here, you want to click on the zip link. And we have our cover folder. So what we want to do is right click and extract the files. Let's open up that new folder. And within that folder, we'll find another folder called cover. And you can see there's over 3,800 items. That's all covers right there. Pretty nice. And what we'll do is we'll grab this copy. We're going to go into PKGj and we're going to right click and paste. And you can see that I already have my cover folder right there. And this is empty, so what we're going to do is paste. And it's going to ask, do you still want to merge the folder with this one? Say yes. And those contents will be copied over to PKGj. Allow the contents to copy over. It takes a few minutes depending on what kind of card speed you have on your PS Vita. Alright, once that's finished, you should be able to go back to your PS Vita and check out all of the updated cover art for PKGj. Well, I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any further questions or anything I can do to assist you on your PS Vita jailbreaking journey. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.